Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw tasks from Trello while keeping due dates intact. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Trello board. Navigate to the card that contains the task you wish to withdraw. Click on the card to open its details. Locate the due date displayed in the card's detail view. Make a note of the due date for your reference. Close the card to return to the board. Create a new list or select an existing one for the withdrawn tasks. Open the card yet again. Drag the card to the new list you've chosen. Now, access the card once more to edit its details. Look for the due date option within the card. Re-enter the previously noted due date to ensure it remains intact. Save your changes. If necessary, you can add comments or labels for better organization. Repeat these steps for any additional tasks you wish to withdraw. Confirm that all due dates are correctly displayed in their new location. Your tasks are now successfully withdrawn from the original list while keeping their due dates intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.